Wait, is this not going over the sink?
Yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah.
Can she stand under it?
Yes.
How tall do you think I am?
Check it out.
You're screwing it in now? Oh, you're not putting it above the sink.
It goes a little bit over the sink.
I know, that's not what I was thinking of.
Is it touching you all right?
Yes, to me.
Right there? It's hitting you?
Yeah. How come I don't got any lines over here? God damn, it's supposed to screw.
Pick yours up a little bit. Right there. Okay.
And this one?
Yeah, it's come up a little bit or no?
Right there's perfect.
Alright, here. Blow this out real quick.
You got a screw for me?
Yep.
There. Might take a few more screws.
Here. Put the thing